So, earlier this week, DJI did a new update for the Mavic Air 2. Here's some things you should know about the new update. The new version is 180 megabytes. Make sure you take your gimbal cover off the drone. They added switch to automatically detect subjects in focus track and optimize the overall performance of focus track, which has 3 flight modes: active track, spotlight, and POI, point of interest. They added the ability to track subjects by dragging a box around it when using free hyperlapse mode. That's free hyperlapse mode only as far as I can understand. They added the ability to store 8K hyperlapse in RAW format, use playback to view 8K hyperlapse, and for more media players to play 8K hyperlapse. Now this 8K hyperlapse in RAW format is pretty much for the die-hard editors, the real pro editors. It takes up a whole lot of space on your computer. So added prompts in DJI Fly when GPS experiences interference. This will be a good thing. They've increased flight speed to 19 meters per second or 42.5 miles per hour when using spotlight in sport mode, and added support for spotlight at night. So hopefully after the update, it'll be able to track you better at night. They've optimized the smart RTH, which will give you a more precise landing, I'm hoping. Hopefully it'll turn this into something more precise like this. And they've optimized performance when using wave gesture to trigger active track and quick shot. Now I really haven't seen them advertise this anywhere other than one little blip on the DJI website. And finally, they reduce noise from recording HDR video at night, which will make your pictures a lot less grainier and better quality for HDR video at night. One other important point is that after you do this update, if you have more than one battery, make sure you go through and update all your batteries, or you will have a problem. Also, it's a very good idea to calibrate your drone after doing any update. So all in all, I think these updates are great compared to some of the updates they've had in the past, and I'll be testing them in future videos with the Mavic Air 2. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.